Okay, so my washing machine, ever since I got it, ever since we moved in, this washing machine has frequently failed to spin cycle. It would start cycling and then it would have a DE error. This is a Samsung, and it's from the load being out of balance and this drum just wobbling back and forth really violently. And it would actually stop, refill the basin with water, and try to spin cycle again, which of course did no good because it would just wobble out of control once more. So you can see over there in that corner where there was some residue, there used to be these foam pads glued to all four sides. So I was gonna go to Home Depot and I checked their website first, and I was gonna replace that pad with some new rubber. I didn't see any spongy rubber on their website, so only hard foam insulation. So I took some foam pipe insulation that I had, I cut it in half lengthwise, and I put this this metal tape on here to just as extra wear resistance, so that as the drum moves it doesn't like grab and try to pull this. So my plan is to put a bead of hot glue on both lengths of this and then adhere it to the wall, and that should help to fix the problem so that I can run on faster cycles and get more water out so it doesn't take as long to dry and doesn't waste as much energy. So that's my proposed fix here. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you.